Hi kids, welcome. Today we're going to learn how to use a calendar. Can you use a calendar? Come, let me show you. I hope you have your calendar with you. Here is mine. Here is a calendar for the month of August. On the calendar, you see the month, the days of the week in abbreviation, and the numbers. Do you know your days of the week? Let's do this together. Here are abbreviations of days of the week. What are they? SU means Sunday. Remember, Sunday is the first day of the week. Next is Monday, which represents MO. Next is Tuesday, and Tuesday is TU. After Tuesday is Wednesday. Wednesday is WE. Next is Thursday. Thursday is TH. After Thursday is Friday. Friday is FR. And after Friday comes the last day of the week, and that is Saturday. Saturday means SA. Now, children, you know there are 7 days of the week. After the last day of the week, it goes over again to start from the first day of the week. Now, let's look at the calendar in full. On a calendar, we have the month of the year in full from January to December. Now, let's check out from some dates on the calendar. Children's Day is May 27. What day is that? How do we find it? First, you look out for the month of May. Right there. Then let's look out for the figure, which is 27. 27 falls on the first day, which is TH. Wow! We're going to celebrate Children's Day on Thursday. Yeah! Okay, let's try another one. What about Nigeria Independence Day? That's October 1. Look out for the month of October. It's over there. And the figure is 1. 1 falls on the Friday. Wow, we're going to celebrate Independence Day on a Friday. That means we won't go to school. Well done. And another one, Nigeria Democracy Day, and that is June 12. Look out for the month of June. Then the figure, which is 12. 12 is on a Saturday. June 12 is on a Saturday. Good job. One more example. What about the Armed Forces Remembrance Day? That's July 6th. What do? Look out for the month of July. Then check out the figure, which is 6. July 6th is on a Tuesday. Armed Forces Remembrance Day this year is going to be a Tuesday. Well done. Now you know how to use a calendar. Can you find your date of birth on the calendar and tell me what day it is? Good. Well done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free. Thank you. Goodbye.